Now, President William Ruto's administration has suffered a setback following the latest ruling on imposing of housing levy to facilitate his affordable housing agenda. In a ruling delivered by the three judges bench of Justices Lydia Achudi, John Mativo and Mwaniki Gachagua on Thursday, January 26, they upheld the High Court decision declaring the levy unconstitutional. The Court of Appeal's decision argued that the decision to impose the housing levy did not follow the stipulated framework. The decision implies that President William Ruto's administration does not have a legal basis for making deductions as per the Finance Act 2023's amendment to the Employment Act 2007. The judges stated this, and I quote, "The trial court held that the housing levy was introduced without a legal framework. It also held that the levy was targeting a section of Kenyans. In our view, public interest lies in awaiting the determination of the appeal. This is because if the stay sought is granted at this stage, should the appellate court affirm the impulse decision, then some far-reaching decision that will have been undertaken pursuant to the impugnated laws may not be reversible. Public interest, in our view, tilts favor of in not granting the stay or the suspension sought. Public interest tilts in favor waiting the determination of the issue raised in the intended appeals." End of quote. Justices Lydia Achudi, John Mativo and Mwaniki Gachagua observed that the applications filed by the state could not change the court's decision declaring the levy unconstitutional. They, however, directed the appeals filed by the government to be expedited to seal the fate of the housing levy. They stated this, and I quote, "In conclusion, we find and hold that none of the four consolidated applications satisfies both limbs. Accordingly, civil applications numbers E577 of 2023, E581 of 2023, E585 of 2023, and E596 of 2023 are hereby dismissed. We make no orders as to cost. However, we direct that the appeals be heard expeditiously so that the issues raised in the appeals can be resolved with finality." End of quote. Last year, November, the High Court declared unconstitutional a 1.5% levy intended to fund affordable housing, but later stayed the ruling until January 10 to allow the government to appeal. National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Njuguna Ndung'u and Attorney General Justin Muturi were among the part. This is Cuba News.